Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into the world of YouTube influencer marketing, an essential strategy for any brand looking to amplify their reach. Ready to unlock the power of influencers? Let's get started! First up, mastering keyword research. Use YouTube's search bar autocomplete feature to discover popular search terms in your niche. This helps you identify trending topics and influencers already creating content around these keywords. Next, let's talk YouTube analytics. It's a goldmine for influencer insights. Look at metrics like audience demographics, watch time, and engagement rates. This data helps you find influencers whose audience aligns perfectly with your target market. Now, don't forget to analyze your competitors. Study their influencer partnerships to see what's working. Check out the types of content they're creating, engagement levels, and keywords in their video titles and descriptions. When you start collaborating, optimize for SEO. Provide influencers with target keywords, links to specific pages, and guidelines for video titles, descriptions, and tags. This ensures your content is not just engaging, but also discoverable. Diversify your content types for maximum impact. Think video reviews, vlogs, and tutorials. Each format serves a unique purpose and can drive traffic and engagement in different ways. Finally, measure your success last year. Set clear, measurable goals and track KPIs like view counts, engagement rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. Regularly analyze these metrics to refine your strategy and improve future campaigns. By following these steps, you'll master YouTube influencer marketing and boost your brand's visibility in no time. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Catch you in the next video.